morning people, happy new year from us at Hex Roofing. Hope everyone's well. Another little job, first little job of the year we've got here. We've got a slate roof, got a little leak in it. Obviously go through inspection, the felt only comes down to here. So it's close boarded, as you see no felt. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip back your tiles, your slates should I say, back to this level here. Install your felt, your bottom layer of felt, so the stops penetration of water. Any water does get behind the slates. Nice and easy job. Remember, any issues at all, any discolouring or things like that, any problems at all, just give us a shout. Hex Roofing.